The Grand Cherokee has long stood as the crown jewel of Jeep's lineup, and the 2025 model proves exactly why. This SUV masterfully blends premium luxury with authentic off-road capability, creating a vehicle that's equally at home on city streets or challenging trails. While maintaining its rugged DNA, the 2025 Grand Cherokee represents Jeep's commitment to sophisticated refinement and cutting-edge technology. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a vehicle that continues to set benchmarks in the premium SUV segment. From its impressive range of trim levels to its advanced technology features, this latest iteration demands our attention. Powertrains and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Grand Cherokee lies a proven 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering a capable 293 horsepower. While some competitors may offer more power on paper, the Grand Cherokee's powertrain provides a refined balance of performance and efficiency. The standard rear-wheel drive configuration offers excellent on-road dynamics, while multiple available all-wheel drive systems cater to different capability needs. What truly sets the Grand Cherokee apart is its range of sophisticated 4x4 systems. The available Quadra-Drive 2 system, featuring an electronic limited slip differential, represents the pinnacle of Jeep's off-road engineering. In Trailhawk models, this system pairs with an innovative front anti-roll bar disconnect, allowing for improved wheel articulation when the terrain demands it. Performance testing reveals impressive capabilities, with the V6-powered Summit reaching 60 miles per hour in a respectable 7.4 seconds. For those seeking additional power, the available 4xe plug-in hybrid variant, which we review separately, offers even more impressive acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds. Off-road capabilities and trail performance. True to its Jeep heritage, the 2025 Cherokee excels where the pavement ends. With up to 8.7 inches of ground clearance in standard models and 9.4 inches in the Trailhawk trim, the Cherokee maintains its position as a genuine off-road performer. The Select Terrain Traction Management System now features 5 distinct modes: Auto, Snow, Sport, Sand, Mud, and Rock. The Trailhawk trim elevates capability further with exclusive features like an electronic locking rear differential, improved approach and departure angles, 29.9 and 32.2 degrees respectively, and enhanced underbody skid plates. New for 2025 is an advanced trail control system, functioning as an off-road cruise control that manages throttle and braking while navigating challenging terrain. Towing and capability. The 2025 Grand Cherokee stands out in its segment with a robust 6,200-pound maximum towing capacity. This capability surpasses key competitors like the Toyota 4Runner and even outperforms Jeep's own iconic Wrangler. Whether you're hauling a boat to the lake or towing a camper for weekend adventures, the Grand Cherokee delivers the capability you need. Fuel economy and efficiency. In an era where efficiency matters more than ever, the 2025 Grand Cherokee holds its own with competitive fuel economy ratings. The V6 engine achieves 19 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway in both rear and all-wheel drive configurations, with highway testing yielding 22 miles per gallon. For those seeking maximum efficiency, the 4xe plug-in hybrid variant offers improved numbers at 23 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside the 2025 Grand Cherokee, and you'll find an interior that rivals luxury brand competitors. The cabin's design and material quality vary by trim level, from the well-equipped Laredo to the premium Summit Reserve with its quilted leather upholstery and open-pore wood trim. The technology suite impresses with either an 8.4-inch or available 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Both interfaces feature standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, while navigation with real-time traffic updates is available. Higher trim levels benefit from a digital gauge cluster, a 10-inch head-up display, and an innovative 10.3-inch passenger side display. Audio options cater to various preferences, starting with a capable 6-speaker system in base models. The available 9-speaker Alpine system provides enhanced sound quality, while the range-topping 19-speaker Macintosh arrangement delivers an audiophile-grade listening experience. Safety features and driver assistance. The 2025 Grand Cherokee comes standard with an impressive array of safety features. Every model includes automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The available hands-free active driving assist system, offered on Overland and Summit models, represents Jeep's most advanced driver assistance technology. Additional safety options include a comprehensive 360-degree camera system, intersection collision avoidance, and front and rear parking sensors. These features work together to provide peace of mind in various driving situations, from navigating tight parking spaces to highway cruising. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Grand Cherokee's lineup spans 9 trim levels, starting with the Laredo at $38,290. The Mid-Range Limited, beginning at $45,495, adds numerous luxury features while maintaining value. The lineup culminates with the Summit Reserve at $64,835, offering a level of luxury that competes with premium brand SUVs. The limited trim represents our recommended choice, offering an excellent balance of features and value. Standard equipment includes leather upholstery, a power liftgate, heated front and rear seats, and remote start. We suggest adding the Lux Tech Group 2 package for additional premium features, like ventilated front seats, a 360-degree camera system, and advanced safety features. Warranty and maintenance. Jeep backs the 2025 Grand Cherokee with a comprehensive warranty package. The limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles, while the powertrain warranty extends to 5 years or 60,000 miles. Notably, Jeep includes 3 years of complimentary maintenance with unlimited mileage, adding value to the ownership experience. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee successfully evolves the model's legacy while pushing into premium territory. It maintains authentic off-road capability while delivering the refinement, technology, and comfort that modern SUV buyers demand. While pricing can climb quickly with options, the Grand Cherokee's breadth of capability and features justify its position in the market. Whether you're looking for a capable daily driver, a weekend adventure vehicle, or a premium family SUV, the 2025 Grand Cherokee offers a compelling mix of attributes. Its combination of off-road prowess, on-road refinement, and modern technology creates a uniquely versatile package in the mid-size SUV segment. Thank you for joining us for this detailed look at the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you found this information helpful, please support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.